The LG V20 is here, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to schedule a YouTube upload from your phone. So if you guys make YouTube videos off your phone and y'all guys want to upload them at a later time, this tutorial will hopefully help you guys out. So what you guys want to do is pick the video that you guys want to upload. In my case, I'm gonna choose the video from my screen recorder. Let's choose my Mario Kart tour video I did. Hit that, hit share, and then you hit share, you hit YouTube, and then the YouTube app will open. You guys will put in your title in your description right there. Let's put Mario Kart Tour. And then description, let's put Mario Kart Tour again. Mario Kart Tour. And then go down to privacy, and you guys have the option to have for public, unlisted, or private. If you guys want to have it scheduled for later, hit private, and then hit upload right there. And then I will upload the video, and then go home, and then go to your YouTube Studio application right here. Go there. Go to your videos here. Click on the Mario Kart Tour video here. In this case, hit the little pencil icon up here on the top, and then you guys fill in your title, description, and tags, which is recommended. And then go to privacy, and then you guys have the option for public, unlisted, private, or scheduled. In this case, we want scheduled. Then let's say you pick a date and time, whatever time of day you want. Let's say October 5th, and let's say 4 p.m. shall we? So you hit that. Then you guys will see start date October 5th, start time 4 p.m. and you guys will have your time zone right down there. So make sure that you guys add in all your stuff, tags and playlists if you guys have one. So you hit save. Then you do that, and y'all guys will see scheduled now. So it is now scheduled to be uploaded at 4 p.m. time there. So it's pretty cool. So go back to your videos here. Click on that. Also be right there. See, be right there. It's scheduled right there for 4 p.m. So yeah, it's really easy, guys. If you guys make YouTube videos off your phone, and y'all guys want to be able to schedule them for a later date, this is a great way to do it. It's very simple. So yeah, y'all guys do not have to have a desktop to do this. Y'all guys need this right from your phone. Make sure that you have the YouTube Studio application for this to work. So there you guys have it, pretty much as simple as tutorial. If this tutorial helped y'all guys out in any way possible, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. So anyways, guys, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It bless me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.